Grand Rising, everyone. I'm here at the Lincoln getting ready to plant cantaloupe. Digging a hole and getting weeds out of the way. Cantaloupe coming through. Much water as possible, as hot as it is. I'm gonna rub. No breaking, no breaking. Don't want to break its roots. That's almost like breaking your history. You don't want to do that. You just want a massive rooting system when you separate, so it can grab nutrients, so it can be healthy. And so if you just rip, then that kind of is not, yeah, see? You want the rooting systems to be massive. Like your family. You want your family to be massive, right? I'm not going to use this cantaloupe on this particular garden. I just needed one. So I am going to put that rooting system back in here. And then look at the eggplants. 2 harvests this Lincoln. We had Swiss chard and 1 eggplant.